Lemon ginger wellness shots in 4 simple ways. Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in. Let's make 4 super immunity booster shots. Juice shots might be small, but they are what you term small but mighty, because they deliver concentrated nutrients directly into the body, bypassing the whole process of chewing and digesting. And for our very first shot of the day, I am starting with carrots. Carrot juice is loaded with vitamins A, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that aids with eyesight, heart health, boosting our immunity, liver function, and above all, our skin. It makes the skin glow. This carrot will add color to this juice. Lemon is our next item on the agenda. Lemon juice is a cleanser and a purifier. It helps the body eliminate toxins and free radicals that damage the cells in our bodies. It is loaded with vitamin C, thereby making it perfect for boosting immunity and also for taking care of our skin, making our skin clear and pure. It helps to support liver function and helps to promote digestive health. This is ginger, a superfood in its own right. Ginger is rich in necessary nutrients that is great for soothing digestive issues, for reducing inflammation, for enhancing our immunity. In fact, ginger gingers you up by reducing fatigue and boosting our mood. Fresh mint leaf, we also know, is a green, so it adds the benefit of a green. And a combination of mint, ginger, lemon, and carrots would help build our immunity, soothe stomach upset, reduce nausea, and support a balanced metabolism. And here we are, good to go, all washed and prepped. Remember, clean hands, environment, and utensils are essential in this process. It's juice time! Let's juice with my Fridja F2500. I'm so in love with this juicer. I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, our first immunity booster wellness shot. Look at that color, really popping. Nourishment for our body. For our second immunity boosting wellness shot, I have chosen fennel. Fresh fennel pulp is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants that help boost our immunity. It helps with tissue repair, helps with skin health, and protects tissues from being damaged by free radicals. Have you ever tried it, used it? Do you know much about the benefits? Let me hear from you in the comment section. It comes with some form of minty flavor as well, which helps to enhance the shot. And for this particular juice shot, I'm going to be using a half of it, so 1 portion of this fennel. We also have ginger in this shot, which is going to be the regular, and we've already discussed the benefits of ginger. Lime is our next one on the agenda, which is a sibling to lemon, and fresh lime is loaded with vitamin C as well and antioxidants, which help to improve our immunity, reduce the risk of heart disease, prevent kidney stones, absorb iron, promote healthy skin, and so on and so forth. Like, it's going to add the extra hunch to this juice. The next is pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help promote immunity, aids with digestion, promote healthy skin, and so on and so forth. It will also add sweetness to this juice shot. And so for those of you who are sweet-toothed, this shot is for you. Enjoy! And here we are, good to go, all washed and prepped. A combination of fennel, pineapple, lime, and ginger is a powerhouse of good health. Make food your medicine. Now, have you subscribed? If you have not, please subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Let us juice. Straining this juice is very optional. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I present to you our second immunity boosting wellness shot. This time for 2. Make food your medicine. For our third recipe, we are starting with fresh coriander, or what some call cilantro. It is a natural diuretic which makes it perfect for detoxifying and cleansing our bodies from toxins and free radicals that damage our cells. Coriander supports digestive health and helps calm stomach upset. It has lots of immunity boosting properties, making it a perfect fit for this recipe. Also, cilantro has anti-inflammatory properties which helps protect our skin from damage. So yeah, great for skin care and so on and so forth. If you're a weight loss chaser, then add coriander to one of your recipes. This is kiwi, and I've grown to love kiwi in my juice recipes, especially for the consistency it gives to it. So kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, making it perfect for our skin. It helps to boost our immunity. It's good for the heart, helps to calm stomach upset, including acting as a stool softener, so preventing constipation. Kiwi is also going to act as a natural sweetener to this short recipe. And if you're diabetic, kiwi is also for you. This is spring onions. Spring onions is great for our respiratory health as it helps to combat cold, boost our immunity, helps with soothing of sore throat, and it has lots of anti-inflammatory and antioxidants that helps to maintain our bone health. Great for eyesight, heart health, promotes blood sugar regulation, and so on and so forth. All I can say here is this is apple, and an apple a day keeps you away from the doctors. Apples come in many colors, and I have particularly chosen this green apple for the color effect for this recipe. All prepped and ready for juicing. I've also added lemon and ginger to this recipe for the extra oomph. For this last recipe or final recipe, we are starting with blueberries, which is a super source of antioxidants, helps boost immunity, reduces the risk of heart health, great for brain health, helps regulate blood sugar, and great source of really healthy vitamin C's. To add to it, as you can see, we have the black grapes, which is also another antioxidant-rich fruit, great for immunity boosting, protects heart health, weight loss, and diabetic friendly. To pump up this short effect, I'm adding ginger, and we've talked about the benefits of ginger, and also fresh lemon and fresh mint leaves. So you can imagine this powerhouse that will do the body good. Let's juice. Remember to like this video. If you've come this far, you are the real MVP. Need I say anymore? Just look at that consistency, that feel. Of course, it will do our body good. Again, I say, make food your medicine. Here we go. I present to you finally 4 colorful, super rich in nutrients, immunity boosting juice shots. No additives, no preservatives, all from natural ingredients. Enjoy! Remember, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, leave your comments. I love to hear from you. Share, share, share. And for the final time in this video, I say, make food your medicine. Bye-bye.